Yeah, we started percentage yesterday. Open the chapter also.
Sir, 10th chapter. A exercise. So we were on 7th question, second part.
Then chapter A exercise. We were on question number 7, I think. 6 or 7? 7.
The
7.
7.
So 7 seconds.
So have you done 7? How many parts we have done? Second part we have done, I think. Second part I was about to tell you, I think the period got over. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
16 whole 2 upon 3% of 16. This is what you have to find. And the students are here. Where is Lachu? Lachu, how are you? Lachu is there.
Fine, sir.
Your video is on.
No, sir, there is some network issue at my side.
Okay, network issue. Get the corona test done for the network. COVID-19 test.
Sir, do you want to see the school?
I want to see you sitting.
Sir, Alin Tandon is studying in school.
Yes, sir, I am sitting in the school.
I want to see you sitting in the school. Where are you?
Sir, you can see me.
अरे यार मिल ही नहीं रहा तू.
John Cena, you can see me.
Yeah. You are there. Sitting in on the gate of the school. Huh?
Yes, sir, at the top.
Oh. Top of the gate. Good. The students of class 5 also did this. They were sitting on where somewhere near the science park. They were sitting there on the science park, and then they were attending the classes from there. Very good, beta. I like it.
Thank you, sir.
Payal is sitting at her home.
Sir,
Payal, beta, how is Priya? Priya is there in the meeting.
It's fine.
Priya, how are you? Priya, are you listening? Can you switch on your video, Priya? No? How is Priya? Is she listening? She's not responding. Payal is looking at Priya. Yeah. No. Yes. No. So, Sanya, you have gone to some 5-star hotel over here? Or this is your room? This is your
Sir,
fi-
this is my room.
This is your room. Oh, it's looking like a 5-star hotel. Very nice.
Thank you, sir. Sir, Shalini ma'am said the same that am I sitting in a 5-star hotel or some place like
The
that?
bed is looking really good. Is this bed for you and your brother? Is it a combined bed? It is having 2 layers, first floor and ground floor and first floor. And is it having
No, sir, that's just a design.
That is just a design. Okay. I thought that it had two floors in it. So,
And I don't feel to share a bed with my brother. I like sleeping alone.
okay.
morning, sir.
Good morning, beta. Okay, so let's start. I don't think that more students will be joining. So 22 students have joined. That's a very good thing. I will be more happy if more students join. Yeah. So exercise 10A, beta बहुत तेज speed
Sir,
में कर
23 participants.
23 participants. 22 मुझे मिला के 23 हो
Sir, Priya and Payal.
हाँ प्रिया पायल तो are attending from different phones.
सर आपकी हाईएस्ट अटेंडेंस कितनी गई है?
In this class, I think
Yes.
before I had one day I had 27 or 28 students from your section only. B section.
Sir, it must be from in starting days.
There were some 28 students or something like that. In other classes, how many students joined the class? In other subject periods?
Sir, when we will get our result?
In
Of
science
UT.
class, how many students are there present in the science?
Average 20 about
Nearly 20. मतलब लगभग इतना ही रहता है जितना मैथ्स में.
average is 70
सबसे
70
ज्यादा
तो जितने आपकी क्लास में रहते हैं उसी के आसपास रहते हैं.
and most of the students join in the Hindi grammar class. हाँ? हिंदी ग्रामर में सबसे ज्यादा ज्वाइन करते हैं.
सर हिंदी ग्रामर में
सर सबसे कम करते हैं.
सर सबसे कम रहा है 4 स्टूडेंट्स क्लास हमारी क्लास से.
नहीं तो हिंदी there
सर
someone
4
was
स्टूडेंट्स ज्वाइन किए थे सर.
someone was telling me that one
Yes,
day
sir.
in Hindi grammar class there were a lot of students. Who was
सर
telling
हमारी
me?
क्लास में तो हाईएस्ट सर लोएस्ट 4
One day in
स्टूडेंट्स
Hindi grammar class, there were only 10 participants, including ma'am.
Including ma'am. Oh my god.
एंड सर देयर वर 3 क्लासेस कंबाइंड.
Okay. चलो
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
most of them were 7C.
भगवान उनका भला करे. चलिए question 7.
Sir,
हाँ जी.
There were 3 students.
sir, when we will get our result of UT?
Beta, I think you should get in the next week, most probably, but maybe near,
सर यूटी तो सर बहुत पहले हो गए थे.
maybe on 11th or 12th, मतलब शायद, I'm not sure. 11th
सर
or 12th,
11 12
11th or 12th of December, maybe. Okay.
sir now there will be again a UT one more.
Sorry. No. This was the last one. I think whatever principals are decide, that would be the final decision. But I think this should be the last one. UTs. So you in the second part of question 7, 16 whole 2 upon 3% of 16. This is what you have to find out. Okay. So
Will you excuse me for a minute
yes.
from the class?
Yeah. So percent का meaning क्या होता है? Divided by 100. Meaning of percent is?
सर its answer will be 266.66.
So 3 into 60, 48 plus 2, 50. 50 upon 3% means divided by 100, or you can also write it as 1 upon 100 multiplied by 1 upon 100. एक ही बात है, percent meaning multiplied by 1 upon 100. Of का मतलब क्या होता है? Multiplied by 16. So now you simplify this. 1, 2 को काट दिया, यहाँ पे 8 आ गया. The answer is 8 upon 3. Fraction में निकालना था आंसर 8 upon 3. Or you can also write this as 2 whole 2 upon 3 in a mixed fraction.
Sir, please explain again.
16 whole 2 upon 3. This is equal to 50 upon 3. Okay. Percent का मतलब क्या होता है? Divided by 100. Divide by 100 या फिर 1 upon 100. एक ही बात है. Multiplied by 1 upon 100 लिखो या फिर divide by 100 लिखो. It is the same thing. and of 16 means multiplied by 16. Okay, so just simplify this, you will get the
Okay.
answer. Any doubt, anyone in this?
No, sir.
Understood.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, so do the third part and then we will move on to the next question. Third part karo jaldi se. The answer of the third part is 26. Am I right? 26 is answer.
Yes, sir. 26.
So have you all done the third part? I am not going to do it on the board. I am going to start question 8. कुछ अगर help चाहिए तो मुझे बता दीजिएगा. I will do it. If you need anything, I will tell you. Otherwise, I am not doing it. Question number 8, first part. %25 of rupees 76. 25% of rupees.
Sir, 19 rupees.
76 rupees 76. Okay, तो कोई बात नहीं, आंसर में भी यूनिट लग जाएगी. तो 25 upon 100 multiplied by rupees 76. Solve करेंगे आप. When you simplify this, you get rupees 19. Rupees 19 as the answer. 76 divided by 4 is 19. Clear? सेम ही है जैसा अभी हमने क्वेश्चन 7 में किया था, वही सेम काम यहाँ पे करना है. All of you, is there any problem in the third part of question 7? Have you all done the third part of question 7?
Yes, sir, done.
The answer is 26.
Yes,
Yes,
sir,
the answer is 26.
That question.
Okay, next question. Second part छोड़ दो, अच्छा second part नहीं करना है. थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट सा ढूंढ लेते हैं इसमें, कोई अगर डिफिकल्ट सा हो. कोई है नहीं डिफिकल्ट सा, नहीं है. चलो this one, fifth one I am doing it on both. Fifth and the fourth one, fourth and fifth both. Fourth part, 3 whole 1 upon 3% of 90 kilometers. Easy है. So 3 whole 1 upon 3 means 10 upon 3. Percent means multiplied by 1 upon 100. Multiplied by 1 upon 100 करें या फिर divide by 100 करें, it is the same thing. Of यानी कि multiplied by 90 kilometers. So you will get your answer in
3
kilometers.
kilometer.
Very easy.
3 km.
कट गया. 9
Yes, sir,
upon
3
2,
kilometer.
3 kilometers is your answer.
3 kilometers.
Yeah. Fifth part, 8.5% of 5 kgs. kg. 8.5% of 5 kg. So this is 8.5 upon 100%, means divided by 100. 8.5 upon 100 of 5 kg. Now इसको थोड़ा सिंप्लीफाई करने में प्रॉब्लम हुई, तो now you can use the concepts which you have studied in your previous classes. Conversion of units. Conversion of units सबको आता है. 5 kg को grams में convert कर लिए. You can easily simplify this. 8.5 इसमें भी क्या कर रहा हूँ मैं decimal उड़ा देता हूँ और नीचे एक जीरो बढ़ा दूंगा. 85 upon 1000. Can I write this as 85 upon 1000? 8.5
sir.
upon 100 और 85 upon 1000 एक ही बात है. And 5 kgs I have converted in grams. So 5000 grams. Okay. तो ये 1000 पूरा कट गया 3 जीरो यहाँ पे कट गया. 85 into 5. What is the answer? 85 into 5. 850 को आधा
Sir,
करो. 25.
Sir, 400.
425 grams.
Clear, all of you? बढ़िया. Yes.
Sir, I have some network issues at my place, so can I leave the class now?
You don't leave the class. You switch off your video. I think your problem will be solved if you turn off your video. Try turning off your video.
Okay, sir.
Laksh, yes, are you saying something? हाँ बेटा आ रही है आपकी आवाज आ रही है. You are audible.
Okay, sir.
Yes, Payal, your problem is solved now.
Yes, sir.
बता दे.
Sir, in the 9th question, we have to find with the help of x.
Find the number whose 13% of, sorry, whose 13% is 65. Okay. Question 9. In this, you will form an equation and then find the value of the missing number. Find the number whose 13% is 65. So this is a kind of a linear equation. Linear equation में you have done these things many times. But here एक और concept यहाँ पर include हो गया है percentage. So it is a mixture of two concepts, linear equations and percentage. No problem in that. Find the number whose 13% is 65. So let the number be x. Let the number be x. Now 13% of the number is given. Find the number whose 13%. यानी कि 13% of the number, यानी कि 13% of x is, मैंने आपको लीनियर इक्वेशन में बताया था जहां पर is आता है वहां पे क्या लगाते हैं हम इक्वल टू.
Equal to.
13%
Sir, the answer will be 500.
65. 13% of the number is equal to 65. Okay, so 13 upon 100 into x is equal to 65. So x is equal to 65 into 100 cross multiplication. 65 into 100 upon 13. Answer आ गया आपका x equals to 500. This is the number. So 13% of 500 is equal to 65.
Sir. Sir.
Yes.
Sir, मैंने ऐसे नहीं करा, मैंने 13x upon 100 कर लिया सर जब मल्टीप्लाई था.
No problem. एक ही बात है.
Okay sir.
13x upon 100 लिखो इसको या फिर 13 upon 100 multiplied by x लिखो, एक ही चीज है.
So the answer is 500.
500 is the answer. Yes. Done, everyone?
Yes, sir. And the 10th one also.
Okay, next question. Number 10, very similar to this one. Can you do? चलो मैं ही करा देता हूँ. Question 10.
Sir, answer is 32.
Yes, sir. Answer is 32.
Question
Yes,
10.
sir. Answer is
One,
32.
one. Again, let the missing number be x. Let the number be x. So I'm straight away forming the equation. Number whose 6 whole 1 upon 4% is 2. 6 whole 1 upon 4% of x is 2. 6 whole 1 upon 4 का मतलब हो गया आपका 25 upon 4. Percent means into 1 upon 100 of x equals to 2. 25 upon 4 percent का मतलब multiplied by 1 upon 100 of x multiplied by x equals to 2. So solve this equation. When you solve this thing, you get 1 upon 16 into x is equal to 2. That means x is equals to 2 into 16. X equals to 32 is the right answer. Any doubt?
Sir, I have taken 24 upon 4 multiplied by 100 exactly same in RHS. I have not simplified it.
No problem. RHS में ले जाके simplify किया होगा ना? No problem.
Then it is 2 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4.
So the answer would be 32.
Yes. Navya, you were in which school before this?
Sir,
Sorry? Earlier you were in which school? Navya? I'm not able to hear you. Navya, beta, you were in which school earlier before joining SR? So now only 16 participants are left. आधे बच्चे चुपचाप निकल गए हैं बिना किसी को बताए. तो 16, 17 हो गए.
70.
हाँ, 4 बच्चे 5 बच्चे चुपचाप निकल गए बिना बताए.
So now 18.
लक्षान्या भी निकल गई है. अब 18 हो गए. तो नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम होती रहती है बच्चों को. आई थिंक सेंट मारिया. अच्छा, सेंट मारिया.
Sir, please start next question.
Sir, this exercise is very small. Sir, I have completed it.
I
Now,
have a cousin studying in St. Maria. Her name is Anushka. Anushka Tandon. She is in class.
Anushka.
Anushka Tandon.
Sir, which class?
9th class.
Okay. Sir,
Now-
I'll ask my friends.
Okay.
They must be knowing.
Yeah. Actually, she is my niece, not cousin. Niece. मैं भूल जाता हूँ कि मैं बुढ़ा हो गया हूँ. Yes. Question number 12. 11 and 12 are same. So we are doing the 12th one. 11th is your homework. What amount is 20% less than rupees 60? अच्छा नहीं, हम दोनों करते हैं, चलो 11th कर रहे हैं पहले. लेट्स डू क्वेश्चन नंबर 11. What amount is 10% more than ₹90? अब ₹90 में 10% आपको ऐड करना है. 10% थोड़ी ऐड करती है कभी किसी चीज में. 10% किसी नंबर का ऐड किया जाता है. Okay.
Sir, equation will be 111 upon 100 into 90.
110.
Sir, 110, sorry. 110 upon 100 into 90.
Yeah.
And answer is 99.
How you do this type of question? So मुझे क्या करना है? All of you, please try to understand this. अगर मुझे किसी नंबर में, suppose there is a number, I am not doing this question right now, giving you an example, everyone. So if there is a number 400, suppose there is a number 400, and I want to add 10% more. इसमें 10% और ऐड करना है मुझे. कभी आपने शॉप्स पे जाकर के डिस्काउंट कैलकुलेट किया? हैव यू एवर सीन कि डिस्काउंट कैसे कैलकुलेट करते हैं शॉप्स पे? आपने देखा होगा, इफ अ प्रोडक्ट इज ऑफ ₹3000 and उसमें they are saying that you have a discount of 40%. So have you ever calculated?
Yes, sir. After learning percentage chapter, I did once.
You did once, very good. Others, have you ever tried to calculate the discount on a product? On the, suppose you went to a mall.
Yes, sir.
Of rupees
So
3000.
I've done.
And they are saying that there is a sale, and in the sale you're getting a discount of rupees.
Yes,
Sorry,
sir.
not rupees. You're getting a discount of 40%. So what is the meaning of this? 40% minus करने मतलब 40 rupees 40 minus करना है, क्या करना है? What is the meaning of this?
No,
Rupees 40
sir.
minus करना है.
40% off, sir, the amount of the
तो
thing.
ये
Sir,
question.
40%
first we have to find
प्राइस
the
का जितना होगा,
40% of the
सर उसे
number
माइनस
and then
करके
minus
जो
it.
प्राइस होगा वो हमें
Sir, I
पे
got
करना
the
होगा.
answer 99. Is
Okay,
it correct?
let me explain this to you how you all can. Some of you already know it very good. Suppose I have a product of ₹400. एक प्रोडक्ट है ₹400 का है. इसमें यहाँ पर कह रहे हैं that there is a discount of 10%. मान लेते हैं, just an example. 10% डिस्काउंट मिल रहा है, तो मैं इसमें क्या माइनस करूंगा? ₹10 माइनस करूंगा? No.
No, sir.
10% माइनस करूंगा? Again, no. 10% भी माइनस नहीं करना.
No,
If a
sir.
product has a discount
Sir,
of
we'll
10%,
find what is the 10% and we minus that.
अगर मुझे किसी प्रोडक्ट में 10% का डिस्काउंट करना है, तो आई विल स्ट्रेट अवे नॉट सब्ट्रैक्ट 10% फ्रॉम 400. नहीं करना है. व्हाट आई हैव टू डू? 400 minus 10% of the product of the actual price of the
Of
product. So 10%
90%.
400 इसमें से कम हो जाएगा. तो यानी
I
कि
mean 90
product की
rupees,
जो
sir.
भी वैल्यू है वो 90% रह जाएगी, ऐसा भी बोल सकते हैं. So this is one way of doing it. The other way of doing it is 10% minus कर दिया तो कितना रह गया? 90% रह गया. So you can either
Sir,
calculate.
we can just count 90% of 400. So
Yeah,
that is the answer.
वही मैं बता रहा हूँ आपको. There are two methods of doing it. First method is this, what I am doing on the board. 400 minus 10% of 400 कर लो, ऐसा कर लो. ओरिजिनल वैल्यू में से 10% ऑफ 400 माइनस कर लीजिए. सेकंड मेथड क्या है? अगर किसी चीज में 10% का डिस्काउंट देना है, दैट मींस द वैल्यू इज नाउ 90%. अब वैल्यू क्या रह गई है? 90% रह गई है. सो यू फाइंड स्ट्रेट अवे, यू फाइंड 90% ऑफ 400. ऐसा भी कर सकते हैं. इन बोथ द वेज यू विल गेट द सेम आंसर. सो व्हाट डू यू डू इन दिस? 400 minus 10 upon 100 of 400. इसको सॉल्व करके कितना आ जाएगा? 10 into 4. 10 into 4 is 40. 100 minus 40, that means 360. क्या प्राइस रह गया प्रोडक्ट का? 360 रुपीज. इसका मतलब मुझे 40 रुपीज का डिस्काउंट मिला है. 10% डिस्काउंट यानी कि 40 रुपीज. 40 रुपीज कम हो जाएंगे, क्या प्राइस आ जाएगा मेरा? नाउ आई हैव टू पे 360 टू द शॉपकीपर. This is the method of calculating discount on a product, where you see the discount is given in percentage. So this is how you calculate it. Okay. So similarly, when you are increasing a number by a certain percentage, suppose in question number 11, Question 11, they are saying that you have to increase rupees 90 by 10%. उसमें 10% और ऐड करना है. तो rupees 90 इसका मतलब क्या करना है? rupees 90 plus 10%
10% of rupees 90.
90. इसमें rupees 90 का 10% और ऐड हो जाएगा. खाली
So
10%
can we do that 110% of 90 rupees?
हाँ वो भी कर सकते हैं. मिश्रा जी. तो 90 रुपीज प्लस 10% ऑफ रुपीज 90 और ऐड कर दीजिए. कितना हो जाएगा? लेट्स सी. अब मैं रुपीज जरा थोड़ी देर के लिए हटा दे रहा हूँ. 90 प्लस 10 upon 100 into 90.
Sir, 99.
तो ये सिंप्लीफाई करके बचा 9. 90 प्लस 9 इज इक्वल टू रुपीज 99. 99 रुपीज का हो गया.
Yes, sir. My also is.
क्लियर एवरीवन?
Yes, sir.
इज इट क्लियर ऑल ऑफ यू?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
So in the next question, what amount is 20% less than rupees 60? Rupees 60 से 20% less करना है. In
So
question-
80% of rupees 60.
ये हटा दें. ये हटा दें बेटा. हटा दें.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. हटा दीजिए.
Yes, sir.
I think its answer is 48.
Correct answer. तो rupees
Yes, sir. 40.
इसमें 20% लेस करना है, यानी कि rupees 60 minus 20% of rupees 60.
60.
ऐसे करते हैं. तो 60 minus 20 upon
Sir, I have done the question 15.
into 60 ये हो गया 60 minus 12 which is equal to 48 rupees.
48.
Rupees 48 is the answer. एक और तरीका है, आप 80% निकाल लीजिए सीधे. 80% of 60 तब भी आपका आंसर 48 आ जाएगा. मतलब कोई प्रोडक्ट 100% उसका प्राइस है, 20% अगर उसमें से हटा दिए तो कितने क्या प्राइस रह गया? 80% ऑफ द ओरिजिनल प्राइस रह गया उसका. 80% ऑफ सीधा सीधा आप क्या करिए, ये करने की अगर दूसरा मेथड है, ये सब करने की जरूरत नहीं है, उसमें सिर्फ 80% ऑफ 60 निकाल लीजिए. You will get the answer.
Yes, sir. मैं तो यही कर रहा हूँ.
हाँ जी. Thirteenth, if 3% of x is 9, find the value below. Very simple, direct equation. यहाँ पर
Red.
I think it
3
is
upon 100 into 9. 3 upon 100 into x is equal to 9.
Which will be 300.
13th. If 3% of x is 9, साफ साफ equation बना के दे दिए. 3% of x is 9. 3% of x is 9. Okay. 3 upon 100 into x is equal to 9. X is equals to 9 into 100 upon 3. X equals to 300.
And sir, done.
Sir, done.
Question 14, do it on your own. Same method.
Sir, done
Sir, done.
48
Yes, sir.
answer.
Same type
Sir,
of
done
question.
48 is the
Sir,
answer.
done till 16th.
16 तक कर लिए.
सर पूरी एक्सरसाइज खत्म हो चुकी है.
बुक खत्म हो चुकी है.
Book खत्म हो गया.
सर बुक में मेरे से लास्ट के 17 चैप्टर से रह गया है बस, बाकी सब हो गया.
Have we done probability? Was it there in the last term? Probability? करा था हमने?
Yes, sir. किया था.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I found mensuration the most difficult in this.
Okay. Mensuration is a little difficult. But it is also interesting.
Sir, in
Sir,
exercise
is
10B,
mensuration
there
all
are
about
total
areas
27
and squares?
questions.
Sorry, how many?
Sir, 27 questions.
In the next
I
exercise.
mean, word problems.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. I mean,
Sir,
well,
is mensuration all about areas and squares?
areas, perimeter, all these things. In your syllabus, mensuration is about area and perimeter. In class 8, you will study volume also. Area, perimeter, volume, surface
But
area,
sometimes
curved surface area, total surface area, all these things you will study in class 8.
yes, sir, it's there in the book I saw.
And in your syllabus, actually, there are some things in your book which should not be there in your book. There are some concepts which you have not studied till now, and you have to use them in the book, in the questions which are given in the book. So these type of questions should not be there, but they are there, so we will be doing those questions.
Sir, in mensuration chapter?
Yeah, in mensuration chapter. Believe me, there are some questions in mensuration chapter which are in class 9th and 10th book also. Same questions are there.
Sir, we have also to found the area of circle.
Sorry, area of circle तो पहले भी पढ़ा होगा.
नो सर, इसमें अब सरकमफेरेंस भी निकालनी है और सारी चीजें.
वो तो खैर वो इतनी बड़ी चीज नहीं
Ma'am,
है.
sir,
But
so circumference we have studied in the previous class.